Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been MIA, but I had a funeral, so I've been away for a little while, a couple of weeks. I had a funeral very close to me. My brother-in-law passed away, so I've been with my sister, and it's been really hectic. It just took my breath away. It was really quick and sudden, and I couldn't focus. So I really had a lot to do with her. So tonight I went to Dollar General, and I wanted to hurry up and capture some Tide that I had been looking at online earlier today. So I just want to share with you, so that if you want to jump on this Tide deal, and I just want to share with you how I did it, how I chose to do it. So the first thing I want to go over, I went online because I didn't have a paper. So the ad says if you spend $15, you get $5 towards your next purchase on all. Well, you had to spend $15 on P&G products. So if you spend a total of $15, you got $5 back on your next purchase. So before I left home, I decided to just I decided to do that deal. So I went online. I have their app downloaded. So if you don't have their app downloaded, just download their app, and there are some $3 off coupons for the Tide and $2 off on the game. So you just download their app, put in all the information, and just add those coupons. So what I chose to do is, because there was a $3 off on pods and a $3 off on the liquid, I decided to get one of each. And my family likes the pods too, so we use both. So with the $3, that was my best deal. So I got one gain, and the gain was, digital coupon gain was $2. The regular price was $5, and with the $2 digital coupon, I paid $3.95 for the gain. So I got one gain, and the reason why I choose this, I don't use gain. I usually use Tide, but I heard the gain is pretty good, and the reason why I wanted to try it, it had white tea and lavender, and it's plant-based detergent. So I said, oh, let me try this, because it is dye-free. It's dye-free, and it was something else I seen that it's for HE. Oh, it's 66 plant-based ingredients and gentle on the skin. So I usually have to use the Tide, the white Tide, for my skin, but this should work just as well, and it has a nice scent to it. So this is what I'm trying for the first time, and you see I done opened it up and used it, and so it smells really good. So I might be switching to this, or both of them. And then I brought one Tide Pod, and the Tide Pod was let's see, the Tide Pod was regular price $9, on sale for $8.95 with a $3 off coupon on that. And it's the same way with this. So this came to $5.95. This came to $5.95, and this came to $3.95, and this came, and the crest was $4. It says $2, but the crest was, let's see, we're gonna get it focused here. The crest was, let's see, where is my crest? I don't see the crest on here. I see the digital coupon, brisk. I see the sweet and iced tea, and I don't see the crest on here. And it sure should be on here. So I don't know what happened with the crest. But I know what happened. He said I had the wrong size, so I had to go back and switch to get a smaller size. So we had to redo the crest. But the crest was $2 off of $4. And all of these are P&G. So I supposed to get $5 towards my next purchase. Normally, when you get those out of the machine, it comes automatically come out the machine. But it didn't come out the machine, maybe because he had to do the crest separate, but he had a problem with it. And what they did was they just took $5 off my next purchase, because that's the way it normally would work. It usually would come on your receipt, and then towards your next purchase you use that $5. So my plan was to use my $5 off my Claritin. You see I opened that already, but my plan was this was $5.50, and I was going to use the $5 towards this. And then I purchased 2 of the iced teas, and they were $1 a piece. And I also purchased some, which is in the freezer, some butter pecan ice cream for my hubby. He asked me to pick him up some butter pecan ice cream, and the regular price was $4, and it was on sale. I got it for $3. So the total was $20.14 for all my items. So because she didn't know how to do it, or it wouldn't work correctly for her, she took off, because it wouldn't let her take off anything from this because it was already discounted. So I paid the $20, and then she took the $5 off of my Claritin, which came to 50 cents. So I think that was a good deal. And if any of you want to go out and get this deal, like I said, I chose to use the $3 coupons. So I got the pod and the liquid, and the gain was $2 off of that. And this is 75 ounces, so it's not a small. This one's not small, and these are I don't know how many. Oh, it's 23 that's in these, and this is a smaller bottle. So I just want to come on here real quick and just share with you. So if you want to go out and get this deal, this is the way I chose to do it. And if you want to follow that, or you could just come up with your own deal of the P&G products. You might have other P&G products that you want to use. Just make sure when you're adding them up, add the price after the coupon. So like when I went in the store, I automatically say, okay, this is going to be $5.95, this is going to be $5.95, this is going to be $3, and I added that way and make sure I come up to $15. And maybe it's new, why they don't know how to do it, but if you was at Kroger would give you the thing out the machine, and then you could just use it towards your next purchase, and then I would have just used it towards the Claritin. But it's a good deal, so go out. And if you like Tide, you like Gain, these P&G products, because it is the first of the month where the P&G coupons do come out. So that's what I chose to do, and I just want to share with you real quick. So I just want to thank everybody for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell that you'll be notified all my videos. And I'm just glad to be back. And I just thank everyone again for watching. Be blessed to be a blessing, everyone. Love you all. Bye-bye.